To make decisions in JavaScript, an if statement is very useful. It's of the format if, and we put our condition inside these brackets, and then we have our program block here, our code block, where the code we want to execute, if the condition is true, goes inside between these brackets. Now, let's have a look in the console at these true or false expressions. So, we can use a Boolean JavaScript function, which is built in to JavaScript, to check if an expression will evaluate to true or false. So for example, 4 less than 9 evaluates to true. We could also use it without the Boolean function in the console. It will evaluate to true because 4 is less than 5. But for example, if we wanted to evaluate a number to true or false in the console, we can use the Boolean of 0. So if you put 0 by itself in an if statement, it will evaluate to false. Any number other than 0 will evaluate to true. And the same is true for empty strings. If we have an empty string, it evaluates to false. If we have any other string except empty, even if it's the string 0, it will evaluate to true. So these are good to know. And we can have a look at the comparison operators. So we have here equal to and triple equal, which means value and type must be equal. And we'll have a look at that in the console. And an exclamation mark before the equal sign means not equal to. And then not equal to value and type. And we have our usual less than, more than, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to. So let's see how these work. So if for example 4 is equal to 4, we cannot use a single equal. That is only for variable assignment. We get an error because we must use a double equal, invalid left hand side in assignment. We're comparing the two values. We're not assigning a value to a variable. We must use double equals. So 4 is equal to 4 is true. And 4 triple equal 4 is also true. Now, if it's 4 equal to the string of 4, it's true. But if we wanted to compare the value and type and use triple equal, 4 is not equal to the 4 string or character 4, because the type and value are not the same. The type is different. This is a numeric value and this is a character value. So that's good to know. Lastly, we can also have not equal to. So let's say 4 is not equal to 5. That is true. 4 is not equal to the value and type of 5. That is true. Now 4 is not equal to the value and type of 4. That is not true. 4 not equal to value and type of 4, true. And with this in mind, we can now evaluate our expression. So let's say we had if 4 less than 5, let's say alert expression is true. Let's save that and let's launch this in the browser. Expression is true, so execute it. And if it was not true, it's 4 less than 3. Let's try that in the browser. It doesn't run because this will not execute this statement if this is false. And that's how if statements work.